But I can already tell that this hair is gonna be like some, this is gonna be some Baddie hair. Hey babes, it's your girl Zeri Bay, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm doing my first human hair wig review. I'm really excited because I've always wanted to do this, because if you guys follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook, you guys know that I own a lot of wigs, both synthetic and human hair.
Brenda, Letitia, Linda, Felicia, Dawn, LaShawn, Inez, and Alicia.
So I'm really excited to finally do a proper review on a wig and show you how I style it and what I think about it and all this fun stuff. And because funny enough, as much as I love makeup, hair is definitely really a huge part of my look. So yeah, we're gonna get into this, and yeah, I'm excited. Like, and give me a thumbs up if you want me to do more hair reviews, because I want to do a lot more, because like I said, I own a lot of wigs and I love wigs, and I just love the fact that I can just switch up my look whenever I want.
Lori and Carla, Marina, Selena, Katrina.
I bought hair with my own money, and I bought it from Eullair hair. Eullair. I hope I said that right. I ordered it through the AliExpress website. They gave me a wig cap, a stocking one, a mesh one, a fishnet one. I usually don't really wear those ones. Okay, so let's get into this wig. So this is a wig right here. Very beautiful, very nice. And I wrote down specs about this wig in my notebook. Okay, so it is a deep wave lace front wig. It is 150 density, 24 inches. I got this for $219 Canadian dollars. Now I know my conversions now. I ordered this on September 30th and it came on October 7th, 8ish, so about a week or so. And it does say that it's pre-plucked for baby hair, and it's 13x4 frontal wig. So this is the wig. The curls pretty uniformed. The hair feels really soft. I'm combing my hair. I get like one strand of shedding. It is what it is. So you got a comb on the top of the head, two combs on the side, a comb at the nape, and you have adjustable straps in it. So you can see it has a baby hairs, aka adult hairs. The knots are not bleached, so I don't have to bleach it. The lace is this beigey color, so I definitely have to tint it as well. From looking at the wig, it doesn't look customized, or I should say pre-plucked, because it is pretty full. You can see it's really full at the roots. I'm gonna have to pluck it. So yeah, so I have a lot to do with this. I have to pluck it, bleach it, and tint this wig for it to look the way I want it to look, because it's pretty full. But you know, I don't mind doing little DIY, little 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna actually film myself doing all of that, because this is gonna be my first time in a long time doing customization on a wig. I haven't done it in a year or two, because I had people do hair for me, but I'm getting back into it again, because I used to do it myself, and now I'm gonna be doing it myself again, and also with help of hairdressers. But usually when it comes to full lace wigs or lace frontals that I purchase, I'm going to be customizing it myself. And once I master that, then I will do a video and show you guys how I do it. Okay. So now that I told you all the specs about the hair and everything, I am going to put this wig on my head, and I'm going to see how it looks like, so I have an idea of the feel and the fit, so that way I know what I have to do to make this wig a glueless wig, because I want this to be glueless. I do not want to use any kind of gel to glue this down. I want it to pop on my head and it fits well, so I really want to know how it looks on my head. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the wig right out of the box. As you can see, it's pretty big because I've been running my hands through it, because I just really want to. Okay, so things about this wig that I noticed, the fit is really good, that's for sure. I just have the elastiband tight like clasped together, the band clasped together. But I'm definitely gonna be putting in a elastic band myself. The hairline is really full, so I'm definitely going to have to pluck it. The knots are not bleached, and lace has to be tinted for me to like this wig. So it's going to be a little bit of a DIY to get it to where I want it to be. But for the most part, I do really like the wig. I like the length. This is 24 inches and I'm pretty short. So what am I gonna do? I'm actually gonna customize this wig, bleach, tint it, pluck it, and then I am going to show you guys once it's all done, and then I'm gonna style it afterwards. So this is going to be like a 2-day thing for me. I'm not gonna film this because I'm just getting back into I'm just getting into the hang of customizing my wigs again, because it's been a while since I've done that. So I'm gonna have to kind of get used to it again, and once I get used to it again, I will make a video of what I do once I master it. But for the most part, the wig fits really good from ear to ear. There's really good parting space for the most part, but the parting space does get smaller as you get to the ears, which is fine for me. This is not much of a problem. I definitely want to make this into a center part, so I'm definitely going to have to pluck that too. So we have a lot to do with this wig, okay? This wig is going to be a mission, and if I can make this wig look amazing by the end of this process, I'm that bitch, okay? Like, this is gonna be some bad bitch hair. Like, this is gonna be the hair. Like, I already know. Like, I already know that this is going to be the hair, because this hair is lit. It's right now, I'm just liking the way, once it's all plucked and bleached and whew, is it? You know that? This wig is it. So I can't wait to show you guys what I do when I style this wig in my next video. So stay tuned for that video, and thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my first initial unboxing review of my first human hair wig review. I hope you guys like it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you want more videos, and like I said, I will be coming out with a video very quickly on how I style this hair. This hair is just an initial review, talking about it, unboxing, me just being hype and extra, like as always, because I am. And yeah, so yeah, I am so ugly. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you guys subscribe to all my social media platforms. Say hi, join the Bae family. You know, we lit, we love food, we love wigs, we love makeup, and we love boys. And we're baddies over here, so yeah.